Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix the error in Format Painter. It is used to copy a certain formatting you have done in a cell to different cells. If you do this word by word, cell by cell, then it may take a long time. So suppose if you want to copy this formatting to this cell, then you have to select manually the color, you have to select the font, you have to select the size differently. But instead of doing that, you can copy the entire formatting to different cells. So what we can do is that you select this cell, click the format painter, and then click on this. Then it will copy the same format to that cell. But if I want to copy the same thing in different cells, then what do I do? I have to do double click the painter and then apply the formatting to as many cells as you want until you press the escape key. So let's try to do it. This one I'm selecting. So select the cell and then double click the format painter. But it is not working. See, it is not working. So how do we fix it? So to fix it, go to Window and Control Panel. Click the mouse. Decrease the sensitivity, the speed of the mouse. Let's keep like this. Okay, apply it, close it. Okay, close it, and let's try it again. Now it is perfect working. See, I can apply to as many cells as I like. So this is how you can fix the error in format painting. The simple thing is that you reduce the sensitivity or the speed of the mouse.